Hello everyone, we are the last group. My name is Shen Bin, and the other two members are Yanting and Zhou Wei. Today we are going to report on the topic of IoT communication technology. The following is the table of contents. We will first introduce what is IoT, and then explain the applications and the challenges. First, let me introduce IoT. The development of communication network technology has enabled people to communicate more quickly and exchange information more smoothly. But now, only computers, mobile phones, and some other information equipment have this kind of communication and networking capabilities. In general, machines and equipment, such as household appliances, hardly have networking and communication capabilities. IoT communication technology is to enable all machines and equipment to have networking and communication capabilities to achieve the goal of everything is connected to the Internet. What is IoT? IoT is an object or thing that can be wired to the Internet, ranging from factory equipment and cars to mobile devices and smart watches. However, IoT refers more specifically to interconnected devices that combine sensors, software, and other technologies to transmit and receive data from other devices. Traditionally, connectivity has been largely achieved by Wi-Fi, but now 5G and other types of networking platforms have gradually provided the speed and reliability to handle large data sets. In summary, IoT is defined as the transmission and reception of data with other devices through interconnected objects and devices equipped with sensors, software, and other technologies.
Hello, my name is Tim. Next, let me introduce how does IoT work. We can operate machine all the time. IoT can help us speed up machine automation. It's like wearing a pair of eyes and ears. Device equipped with sensor can obtain information that we may see, hear, or perceive and following instructions. Share this information. In the background, we analyze and check information. This process is divided into 4 key stages. First, capture data. With sensor, IoT device capture data about their environment such as temperature, humidity, and sounds. Second, share data. IoT device will upload this data through the cloud and available network connection. Third, processing data. At this point, the software will perform some operation based on the data, such as turning on the fan or turning off the power, according to the written code. The final step is action. After analyzing the accumulated data all devices on the IoT network, it will provide powerful insight and information to make more automated action and business decisions. Next, Let me show you the relationship between the communication industry and IoT. The IoT technology will require good communication equipment because all data is transmitted through the network. So the communication infrastructure must be very complete and the quality of the network must be very stable. Zhonghua Telecom is the first telecommunication company in Taiwan to provide NB-IoT and LTE-M. Customer can choose the appropriate mobile communication network according to product needs and build service that achieve continue chaining between people, machine, and system. And what is NB-IoT and LTE-M? Okay, NB-IoT is suitable for non-real-time data transmit application. Second, LTE-M allow mobile device to continuously connect with signal from different base stations. Data transmit can provide the best communication quality and suitable for applications such as moving object tracking. These examples are divided by corresponding network requirement. On the left side of the option, a faster network transmission speed is required. For example, the Internet of Vehicle and the monitor system require very real-time data transmission, especially the communication quality required by the moving vehicle. And the monitor also needs real-time image control. I believe that with this good communication infrastructure, it can also be applied to the development of smart transportation and smart city and smart industry IIoT in the future. Last, let me show you IoT application service. This example is the smart agriculture IoT. Farmers who plant crops can control the growth of the crops in real time through the internet. This system detects the temperature of the environment, the humidity of the air, the humidity of the soil, and brightness of the light, and automatically collect this data. Farmers can achieve smarter precision farming through IoT technology. In addition to obtaining detection information, farmers can also remotely operate the machines on the farm through their mobile phone. If the soil moisture is not enough, the system will automatically water the flowers. Furthermore, if the brightness of the environment is affected by the weather outside and face a situation of insufficient brightness, the brightness of the light can also be adjusted automatically or manually through the mobile phone. And through the IoT technology, in addition to observing real-time information, it can also be manually adjusted. Through the IoT technology, the data can be analyzed and set of the crop growth environment can be adjusted in time. The advantage is that the workload can be greatly reduced to achieve a real fully automated farm, which is really convenient. These are successful examples in Taiwan. I believe we will see more in the future.
Okay, now I want to introduce the challenge of IoT. The first one is information security issues. In today's digital service companies recording all kinds of user behavior data. In the era of IoT, the communication of information is more convenient. Not only can people communicate with each other through the internet, but also the relationship between people and devices is also possible to communicate via the internet. However, Due to the convenience of networking brought by the Internet of Things, hackers have more opportunities to attack, and application service, operating systems, hardware devices, and wireless transmission may become the target of hacker attacks. The car and various remote control devices are connected in series, so the system will have private information such as your daily work and rest time, eating status, shopping habits, and so on. If a hacker enters an IoT device with a camera or microphone, all images and conversation in our life may be spied on or even recorded unknowingly. With more and more application of IoT, there must be more complete data security and standards for data use, but also technologies to increase data security. And next page. And the second one, the IoT suffer from platform fragmentation, lack of interoperability, and common technical standards. Different devices may be built on different platforms. Developing applications that work consistently between different inconsistent technology ecosystem is difficult. Different devices use different wireless communication technologies. For example, wireless connectivity for IoT devices can be done using Bluetooth, Zigbee, Z-Wave, LoRa, and NB-IoT, as well as completely custom proprietary radios, each with its own advantages and disadvantages and unique support ecosystem. And the last one is faster and more stable internet. Low latency is one of the necessary conditions for realizing the large-scale Internet of Things. The IoT requires an internet with faster speed and larger capacity that can meet the needs of connection. Now the 5G spectrum has expanded the frequency of data transmission by digital mobile technology. Wider spectrum increased the overall bandwidth of mobile internet, allowing more devices to connect. But there are concerns about exposure to radio waves. Nowadays, mobile phones, tablet, computer, and Wi-Fi can be seen everywhere in life. When electronic devices communicate with each other by radio waves, people will be exposed to radio waves, and they are several times stronger than now, which may affect people's health. And this is the end of our presentation. Thank you for listening.